G'day folks, if you've got a caravan that's got awning lights that are way too bright and attract insects and stuff, you can put amber tape on them to help that out. This is the tape I used. It's available at most automotive stores, and I cut a strip out 145 by 19 millimeters. So all you need is a step ladder and a pair of scissors and some of this tape, and you can get to work and stick them on. And yeah, just make sure it goes all the way to the edges, and then you'll be quite happy with the result just with one layer on it. I had to put two layers on this light. This light by the front door is way too bright. Can't get to the door lock nice and easy without being blinded, so I put two layers onto this light, and it's made a hell of a difference. So that, I haven't tested it out at night time, but it looks like it's going to do the job. So yeah, if you're thinking about turning your white awning lights into amber, yeah, just go for it. These particular lights cannot be wired up to make them yellow, so unfortunately the only option was to put the tape on these, other than swapping the whole lights out and rewiring and all that sort of stuff. So this worked for me. Cheers.